my system? Well, it could be a few things. If you hear strange noises, you definitely want to call a professional. First of all, you should be getting your unit, right? Your unit serviced twice a year to help prevent some of these problems. But if you're hearing things, you're hearing these different things, and is it a banging? Is it a squealing noise? What's happening? Well, it could be a loose connection. The unit could be losing a refrigerant. You could hear kind of a hissing or kind of a noise. It could be a refrigerant leak.